Good morning, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to guide you through a pivotal topic in our course on managing innovation and technological change, the process of technological change. As aspiring leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovation managers, mastering the dynamics of how technology evolves and how to effectively manage this evolution is not just an academic exercise. It is a critical skill that can determine whether your organization thrives in a competitive landscape or fades into irrelevance. Let's begin with a simple yet powerful mental image. Picture a world where businesses stubbornly cling to outdated methods, refusing to adapt as their surroundings transform. Such a world would not only stagnate but would also be overtaken by those who embrace progress. This scenario underscores the urgency of managing technological change systematically. It is not merely a strategic advantage, it is a necessity for survival in today's fast-paced, innovation-driven markets. At its essence, technology represents the practical application of knowledge aimed at solving problems and enhancing human life. It encompasses everything from physical machinery and advanced equipment to intangible assets like digital platforms, algorithms, and even management processes. However, technology is never static. It evolves continuously, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact. When we talk about technological change, we are referring to this perpetual cycle of improvement, invention, replacement, and sometimes disruption. On the other hand, innovation serves as the bridge between creativity and value creation. It is the process through which new ideas are successfully implemented to create tangible impact. Without innovation, technological advancements remain confined to laboratories or theoretical discussions. It is innovation that breathes life into these ideas, transforming them into tools that improve lives and drive progress. Managing this process of innovation is both an art and a science, requiring a blend of strategic foresight, creative thinking, and disciplined execution. What does it mean to manage technology? Managing technology is far more than simply adopting the latest gadgets or software. It is a comprehensive process that involves one, identifying technologies that align with an organization's strategic goals. 2. Acquiring them efficiently, whether through development, purchase, or collaboration. 3. Integrating them seamlessly into existing systems and workflows. 4. Monitoring their performance to ensure they deliver the intended value. 5. And eventually replacing or upgrading them as they become obsolete. This systematic approach ensures that technology does not just exist within an organization but actively contributes to its growth and competitiveness. Follow the phases of managing technological change. Let's break this process down into 5 key phases. And numbers 1, technology identification. The journey begins with scanning the environment for emerging technologies. This requires leaders to adopt a forward-thinking mindset, one that constantly seeks out what is on the horizon. Whether it's artificial intelligence and sustainable materials, automation, or digital transformation tools, organizations must stay alert to opportunities that could reshape their industry. Tools like environmental scanning, competitive analysis, and future forecasting play a crucial role in this stage, helping businesses anticipate trends and identify potential game changers. And 2, technology acquisition. Once a promising technology is identified, the next question arises, how should it be acquired? Should the organization develop it in-house through research and development (R&D? Should it be purchased outright or licensed from another company? Or would a strategic partnership provide the best access? The answer depends on factors such as cost, time, expertise, and the level of control desired. For instance, a large tech firm with robust R&D capabilities might opt for internal development, while a smaller startup might find collaboration or purchasing more feasible. Number 3, technology implementation. This phase is often the most challenging. Even the most groundbreaking technology can fail if it is not implemented effectively. Successful implementation requires more than technical installation. It involves preparing people and processes for change. Employees must be trained, workflows adjusted, and existing systems adapted to ensure compatibility. Moreover, resistance to change is a common hurdle. This is where change management becomes critical, addressing not just the technical aspects but also the human side of adoption. After all, technology is only as effective as the people who use it. Manala 4. Performance monitoring implementation is not the end of the journey. Once the technology is up and running, its performance must be monitored continuously. Organizations need to track key metrics such as productivity, return on investment (ROI), user satisfaction, and cost savings. These indicators provide valuable insights into whether the technology is meeting its objectives or requires adjustments. Continuous monitoring ensures that the investment yields sustained benefits over time. 5. Renewal and replacement. No technology lasts forever. As newer, more efficient alternatives emerge, outdated systems must be retired and replaced. This requires careful planning to ensure a smooth transition. Forward-thinking organizations do not wait until a system becomes obsolete. They proactively explore future technologies and prepare for the next wave of innovation. This cyclical process, identify, acquire, implement, monitor, and renew, ensures that organizations remain agile and competitive in a constantly evolving landscape. Elaborate tools for managing innovation. To navigate the complexities of technological change, organizations rely on a variety of tools and frameworks. Let's explore some of the most effective ones. The innovation funnel. This framework begins with a broad pool of ideas and gradually narrows them down through stages of screening, prototyping, testing, and selection. By filtering out less viable options early, organizations can focus resources on the most promising innovations. The stage gate model, dividing the innovation process into distinct stages, such as ideation, development, and commercialization. This model introduces checkpoints or gates where decision makers evaluate progress. This structured approach prevents wasted resources and ensures accountability at every step. Technology road mapping, a strategic tool that aligns technology development with business objectives. It provides a clear timeline for when specific technologies will be needed, how they will be acquired, and how they will support organizational goals. High-grade open innovation increasingly popular. This approach invites external contributors such as customers, startups, or research institutions to participate in the innovation process. By opening up their boundaries, organizations can tap into a broader pool of ideas and accelerate their innovation cycles. Agile methods, frameworks like design thinking and lean startup emphasize rapid experimentation, user feedback, and iterative development. These methods encourage organizations to learn by doing, adapt quickly, and bring solutions to market faster without overcommitting resources upfront. The evaluating innovation management. Innovation should never be left to chance. It must be assessed, measured, and refined over time. One useful framework for evaluation is the Diamond Model of Innovation Management, which examines four key dimensions. 1. Innovation strategy. Does the organization have a clear vision and allocate resources effectively? 2. Processes and structures. Are there structured methods in place to guide innovation efforts? 3. Leadership and culture. Does the leadership foster a culture of creativity and experimentation? 4. External linkages. How well does the organization collaborate with external partners? Additionally, innovation can be analyzed at three levels. Strategic level, is there a long-term vision for innovation? A process level, are tools like the stage gate model or technology roadmaps being used effectively? Operational level, are employees encouraged to take risks, experiment, and learn from failure? Finally, organizations must track their innovation performance through measurable indicators, metrics like the number of new ideas generated, time to market for new products, revenue from innovative offerings, and cross-departmental collaboration offer valuable insights into what's working and where improvements are needed. In conclusion, the process of technological change is undeniably complex, but with the right approach, it is entirely manageable. By systematically identifying, adopting, and implementing new technologies supported by robust tools and frameworks, organizations can turn technological change into a powerful driver of growth and sustainability. Remember, technology and innovation are not isolated functions. They are fundamental to an organization's ability to compete, adapt, and thrive in a rapidly changing world. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to diving deeper into these concepts in our next session.